How to change outfit in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the outfits. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see heroes. Tap on heroes. So this is the place where you can choose the character and heroes. So simply tap on the one, and here it is the hero that is available. Here on the right bottom, simply tap on this icon. So here, as you can see, there are different skins that are available. Now there are no certain inventory in which you can just change the outfit. You must directly purchase different type of skin in order to make changes in the hero in this game. So you can directly purchase different skins through using different type of tokens and different stars, and you'll be able to completely change the outfit. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.